Hi, today what I've done is I've purchased myself the Smoothie Junior.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
These are the instructions. This is the warranty card. Comes with these easy directions. Tells you, shows you high, low, and off. Okay, so that's true. The cup can go easily underneath. Shows you that you can press down. Feels like it's backwards. They want you to do this. Push it this way. Close the valve and move the switch to off. And the other portion, even though it says low, it looks like it goes right away to high. Speeds, low and high. So what I did is I put just regular water in here so I could kind of clean it. This lid here, you have to lay it down and twist it. Then it gives you a nice solid catch. Pushing forward, you can see the water's coming down. If you pull it back, it just makes it more of a mess. So push it forward. So always make sure you wash your new appliances with soap to remove any cardboard or any dirt that might be in it. I'm going to put a little bit more water in here, and then we're going to lay it inside. And we're just going to press forward and just empty the container. That way we get any debris that might be in the valve out. And there's nothing floating on top. It looks like it's in really good shape. Okay, so now we can pick it back up again, empty it out, start putting out our goodies in it. Alright, so now this is ready for our smoothie. So I got this melon, it's very, very ripe. I'm going to take this outer skin off. Nature's Nectar orange juice, never from concentrate. But anyway, this is really good orange juice. And what we're going to do is we're going to use that as a base. So what we're doing is we're doing an orange juice melon smoothie. Now this is in real time. You can already see that already it's coming together. And now I'm going to put it on the low cycle. Put this in place. Take off the top. Give some kind of spoon and taste it. It's definitely plenty sweet. Between the orange juice and the melon, you can't go wrong. Now, what you could do, if this was a morning, you could add something like nutritional shake, which I use. I use this in the morning on my cereal. So this is just a very simple drink. Let's see how it pours now. So maybe some of the pulp. Here it comes. Okay, so the pulp did have a little bit of trouble in the beginning, and I can taste it. but it tastes very good. You could add other fruits to this to make it even better. Today I'm going to have a liquid lunch. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Yum yum. Okay, this is an addendum. So towards the very bottom, because of the pulp that's inside of your smoothie, it does make it a little bit more difficult to let it go. It does come out, but you kind of have to kind of coax it. I use this little thing here and see if I could, and the blades are in the way, so you're not really getting a good use of that. I probably have to work with that a little longer. Nothing stops you from picking it up and just simply pouring it into your glass. But that might be a point of consideration why I got this for such a good price. Alright, so the next step after this, I'm going to drink my glasses, is to clean everything. And of course, because you're using fresh vegetables, remember to use soap. And my policy is, okay, so nothing needs to be done at the base because everything is contained in this carafe over here. Do not wash parts in the dishwasher. This is not dishwasher safe. Nothing in here because it's plastic. So this might be a disadvantage of this machine, that it cinches so tight on the bottom that you can't get the impeller here cleaner. You can take this off easily enough, but you can't get the, so you have to be careful that you get all of the dirt, if there is any, on the bottom fixed. Okay? Alright, so now we're just going to put it back in, and we'll take the rest of the water out of this cap and screw it in. Now it would have been nice if they had a hole in this cap over here, because there's still more parts here that have to be used, so there's no way to store anything, so I'm just going to be storing it like this. And for right now, I'm going to keep the instructions with it, and eventually I'm going to read them cover to cover and find out how I can release that one part that I'm having no trouble with. But for right now, for the price of what I paid for this Smoothie Junior, back to basic, let me show you. Back to basic Smoothie Junior, I think it's well worth for what I paid for it. Alright, we'll see you soon, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.